Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a ping pong account quick tutorial. To start the process, open your Safari browser. Now search for ping pong. Here click on Ping Pong USA. Then click on Register. From here you can select your location. Here you can select your payment method. Then click on Next. Now enter your email address. Then enter your password. Enter your confirmed password. After that, enter your phone number. Then click on Send. Solve this puzzle to verify your identity. Enter the confirmation code which they have sent you. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Create. As you can see, your account has been activated. Now go back to the main page and click on Login. Enter your email address. Then enter your password. Click on Sign In. As you can see, your account has been created. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.